Hi Eric. So this issue we discussed where shift exceptions are not getting considered in the public calendar while showing the available slots in the public calendar. So here for this employee I have added shift exception for 4/9, that is 4th of September. The default shift was 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and a shift exception I added is from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Now if I go to the calendar, so this is the calendar where this is the only employee as attendees added, attendees. Now I'm going to share this link. If I go to the 4th of September and will search for the time slots, everything is in IST, Indian Standard Time. So it is showing me time till 4th of September till 4 p.m. But if you see the calendar of this employee, 4/9, there's no appointment added in that time slot. So ideally it should show time till 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. 4th of September. So these exceptions are not getting considered. Shift exceptions are not getting considered while showing the available time slots. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.